Talk about an interesting place you've travelled to.
The most interesting place I've visited for a holiday would be Japan. Japan is a very old country and they've got a lot of culture and history in there. And we've visited some temples and they're amazing. They're like huge temples. And it's like it's in the middle of the city, so it's buildings and then out of nowhere there's this really old temple in there. There's one thing that happened during the trip and I thought it was pretty interesting, because Japan is very famous for its trendy styles and fashion, and so me and my mum thought that I would go get a haircut in Japan. And after we walked into the salon, had a hair wet, sat down, and then we found out that no one speaks English in the salon. So I couldn't explain to the hairdresser what kind of hairstyle I want. So I just ended up choosing a hairstyle in the magazine, and luckily it turned out all right. And yeah, it was a good haircut, and I'd probably do it again if I have a chance. I went there with my mom, and actually it was a very special trip for both of us because we were both working at a time and we just didn't have a lot of time to spend with each other, and it's hard to get time to spend with each other for the whole week. And yeah, and during that week we just knew a lot more about each other, and that's why it's so special. Use the minute at the start to think of a good story. Good luck.